New bicycle. I got a Ride1Up. This box has been through it, man. This box has seen some shit. The bike was returned, so it was an open box return. So I have no idea what it looks like inside. Judging from the box though, it's had a rough life. Let's hope the bike is in better shape than the box is. My goodness. There are a lots of videos walking you through this bike, the features, how to put it together, blah, blah, blah. My thing that I want to do is a long-term review. I searched the internet for days looking for a long-term review of this bike. This is the Prodigy V2. Does it say that anywhere on here? No, not really. So this is the Prodigy V2. This is the belt drive unit. I wanted the Gates carbon belt drive. And it has the Brosy center hub. Yeah. Boy, we're gonna learn some things today. My goodness me. All right, so I'm thinking whoever repacked this just threw it back together and prayed that it would work. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's the handlebars. That's always good to have handlebars, right? Some of this packing material out of the way. Put that there in case I need it. Ooh. Okay. I'm guessing this entire thing just comes out. Well, I'm guessing originally the entire thing just came out. So the bike isn't too bad. It weighs what, 40 pounds? I should be able to raise it up out of here. Get off me, box. All right. Ta-da! Yeah, okay. Hang on. What is going on? Why don't we zip strip this? Seriously. What are we doing? All right. For right now, I'm gonna leave you on the ground. Everything's all zip stripped up. I mean, I've done 2 of these unboxings, so I should be an expert, right? Okay, tire's free. Charge up. Hopefully, this is the charger. Oh, there's a manual. Hey. Okay, Prodigy V2. Sorry, this is the V2. They don't make a V3 yet. Oh, what everybody needs. Nice winter's hat. Wonder if they left me any juice. I really wanted to ride this thing today. All right, charger, pedals, keys. Gotta have keys. Toolkit, stuff to put the pedals on with. I don't understand why that guy didn't bring it yesterday.
He didn't like the box, I guess, from what he said.
It's not that bad. I've seen worse. Not sure which part of this is bent. got so much cardboard shoved up in that in this Allen screw. Might have to get them to send me a new head.
Left any threads?
Yeah, it should be. There should be a left and a right one. Left. All right. Helps if you put the right one on the right side. All right. See how she rolls. Oh, put some air in the tires. I know they're empty.
So as I said, this was a open box item. It was not brand new from the factory. As you can see here, it took a very hard fall, damaged the head tube. They did send me another one and replace that, so that's good. I also noticed that the front wheel was out of true, and in order to make sure that it was just out of true and not bent, I didn't want to make sure it was bent because I knew it had taken a hard fall. I went ahead and got it trued. They paid for that. It was like 25 bucks. And then finally, the rear fender was what actually stopped me from riding it that day. So the rear fender was slightly off. It just had come out of it. It was just off kilter. So I just had to put it back together. The rest of this video, I noticed that Scott Hardesty didn't do a video on this bike. And quite frankly, I was going to do something inspired by Scott Hardesty. I'm not the, I'm not Scott Hardesty, obviously, but I do want to do a video inspired by him. So that'll probably be my next video with this bike. I do plan on riding this bike a lot over this next year. And so I'll try to keep you up to speed for those that are interested in the Prodigy V2. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. We will see you next time.